Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So today we're looking at a new old stock, brand new. This is an 80s Wide Font K5LA. Now this horn, some of y'all may recognize, was up on the Facebook groups, and I was lucky enough to get a hold of it. With it is supposedly ex-Amtrack. It is ex-Amtrack. The gentleman I got it from, it was gifted to him. He was a contractor that worked at Amtrack up north, the northeast part of the United States, and they gifted this to him as like a going away present. Well, he kept it for years and years and years, and he ended up selling it. So it was never ran though, just in the Amtrack shop. So you know, it could be argued ex-Amtrack or really just a new old stock. You know, no railroad K5LA, but pretty cool horn though. So it's got a 1, it has your 2, it has a 3A, 4A, and a 5. It is an 80s wide font horn. Pretty hard to find these brand new. So of course these are tagless manifolds, and it does have your old style star lock washers on it. So pretty cool horn. But anyway, y'all enjoy this, guys. This is the new old stock 80s K5LA.